Welcome back everyone to Unity Car. Once again we warmly welcome you, and today we're going to show you a mini camper so unique, you'll say to yourself, this isn't just a vehicle, it's magic. Yes, we're talking about the all-new 2025 Mini Camper X, a compact masterpiece that's stealing hearts with its design and futuristic technology. This camper is painted in a bright orange color that instantly catches your eyes, glowing with a soft charm that attracts from far away. The body is sleek and smooth, with no heavy cuts or unnecessary curves, just a clean, beautiful surface. But what really blows your mind are its automatic doors. Yes, this camper doesn't have regular doors. As soon as someone walks up to it, the doors automatically open, and once you step inside, they automatically close without you having to touch anything or press any buttons. It's a smart system that senses your presence and moves on its own, something that truly sets this camper apart from the rest. Now, let's peek inside, and you're welcomed by a spotless, pure white interior, everything neatly placed, no clutter, no heavy furniture, just soft white seating that feels like a peaceful dream space. The moment you sit, you feel calm, like you've found your own little pocket of peace close to nature. The rear side is just as tidy, a simple white environment that feels more like a meditation lounge than a vehicle. The front windshield is slightly curved, giving it a futuristic edge, and the round soft glowing headlights make it feel like something straight out of a movie. Below, a white lined bumper adds a modern touch and completes its clean, thoughtful design. This camper is made for those who want something different, for people who want to travel not in chaos but in calm, and who find beauty in simplicity. Mini Camper X gives you everything a traveler dreams of: comfort, style, smart features, and peace. Now, here's a question for you. If a vehicle came to you that opens its doors automatically, closes them on its own, and feels like a soft white heaven inside, would you take your first ride in it alone? Tell us your answer in the comments below, and if you want to keep discovering rare, futuristic, and beautiful vehicles like this, subscribe to Unity Car right now, because every day here brings something new, something that'll leave you amazed.